the things that I'm not sure many people realize is that WhatsApp does have a business. And if you have your Facebook and Instagram set up with the business setup, you might have also noticed they've started trying to nudge you into WhatsApp. The reason I do bring it up is because you can have these private conversations one-on-one through a business-based WhatsApp, and you will see that this is really a growing market. Consumers are using social media to make online purchases. As you can see, it's going to go up to almost $3 trillion by 2028. That's not that far away. And 78% of salespeople have actually been using social selling as a way to improve their bottom line. So this is, again, for me, this is what I love to call concierge selling, right? Social selling is just a new way of doing it, but we become so connected to people now because we're so much more comfortable with this virtual world.